In this video, I am going to teach you polynomials. So first one is linear polynomial, about which you studied in earlier classes. So f of x equals to ax plus b. Graph of linear polynomial is always a straight line. In this class, you are going to read quadratic polynomial. That is f of x equals to ax square plus bx plus c. So, one more thing, degree of this polynomial, linear polynomial, is 1 and degree of quadratic polynomial is 2. So, let zeros of this polynomial be alpha and beta. So, relation between alpha and beta, alpha, sum of the zeros b minus b upon a and product of the zeros b c upon a. Now, I am explaining this with an example. Okay. So, value of a, since it is opening upward, so value of a is greater than 0. Okay. And how to find value of c? Since it is intersecting y-axis in negative direction. Okay. So, value of c is smaller than 0. Okay. Now, how to find one more thing, from where parabola is turning, that is called vertex, and vertex is minus b upon 2a and d upon 4a. D is discriminant and you will read about in next chapter, and minus d. So, how to find value of b? So, minus b upon 2a is smaller than 0. Okay, sorry, it is greater than 0. Since it is in fourth quadrant, so value of x is positive. So, minus b, so value of b will become value of b is smaller than 0 because it is lying in fourth quadrant. So, value of x is positive here. Okay. Now, come to this parabola graph. In this, value of a is smaller than 0. Okay. Because it is opening downwards. Value of c, it is intersecting y-axis in positive direction. So value of c is greater than 0. C will be positive, so it is greater than 0. And again value of b, minus b upon 2a is greater than 0. Now see, it is in first quadrant and the value of x is positive. Okay. So, minus will be cancelled. So, b is greater than 0. Okay. Now, more examples. Now, next example is this. Since parabola is opening upward, means value of a is greater than 0. It is intersecting y-axis in negative direction, positive direction. So, value of c is also greater than 0. Now, value of b, here x equals to minus b upon 2a. Okay. X equals to minus b upon 2a because it is vertex, minus b upon 2a and minus d upon 4a. So, minus b upon 2a and value of x is positive. So minus b upon 2a is greater than 0. Value of a is positive. So it will become 0 when it will transpose there. So minus b is greater than 0. So find the value of b. We will change its sign. Okay. So value of b is smaller than 0. Now in second, it is opening downwards. So value of a is smaller than 0. It is intersecting y-axis in negative direction. So value of a is c. Value of c is smaller than 0. Now again x equals to minus b upon 2a. It is in third quadrant. So minus b upon 2a, it is negative. So minus b upon 2a is smaller than 0. Okay. So it is negative. Negative will be cancelled. So b is smaller than 0. Now in fourth quadrant, it is opening upwards. So value of a is greater than 0. It is intersecting y-axis in positive direction. So value of c is greater than 0. Now again x equals to minus b upon 2a, and here it is positive. So here it is positive. So minus b upon 2a, b upon 2a is greater than 0. So it is positive. Minus minus will be cancelled. So value of b is greater than 0. Sorry. Value of a is positive. Okay, value of a is positive. It will become 0 when it will be transposed. So value of b is smaller than 0. Okay. Now we will solve more examples of a quadratic equation which will show relation between zeros and